What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Building a Time Attack Civic. That's what I'm going to label this series because I feel like that'd be the best way to get the most views out of my YouTube channel before I have to quit. Welcome back. For today's video, we're going to be installing some SPC arms on the car. We have tires ordered from Falcon. They should be here fairly soon. I went with two 45, 40, 17 RT660s. Those should be in fairly soon. Now, before I get the 5070 Rs and tires mounted, I have to roll the fenders and install camber kits so I can fit a 17x9 plus 22 wheels. So today's agenda is one of those things, is installing the SPC camber arms, and then from there go to the homie Chris Moo's brother's place, Ryan Grubbs, and get my fenders rolled and possibly pulled a little bit just to clear extra. And yeah, that's gonna be what's popping fairly soon with the setup. But yeah. So we're on the way to Travis Kiswa's house of business to get this situation situated. I should put on my seatbelt. I'm sorry for not having my seatbelt, y'all. I'm sorry. It is a beautiful day in Florida right now. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So we are now at Travis' house. Travis about to load up. Load up, Travis. Hurry up, beach. Beach. Wow, you look so cool, Travis.
No key in this whip.
Where the hell I put the key? Hold on, big dog. Soon. Big soon. Here's your car, sir. So like I stated earlier, we're going to be installing some SPC arms. I bought these off Amazon. You can buy these at AutoZone or eBay. Not eBay, but AutoZone or Amazon. I'll leave the part number down below. And yeah, these are actually SPC arms. Fully adjustable, $100 a pop, 200 bucks for the whole set. Instead of spending like 300 to 400 on the same arms, but just with another company's name stamped on them, go straight from the supplier. So that's what I'm about to install today. Should be an easy, quick process. All you need is a 14 millimeter, and yeah, that's it.
You need a Travis. Don't forget the Travis. You need a Travis.
I don't know where the hell y'all gonna find a Travis from, but if y'all, I guess y'all.
Or Randy. That was good too.
Wherever you can find a Caribbean,
rare,
a West Indian person, yeah, they'd be of service to help y'all. Wheel off. All right, so to remove the camber arm, it's up top, it's very simple. 14 millimeter there, and you have two underneath holding it up. You probably can't see it, but there's two bolts underneath the camber arm. I can't even show you, but there's two bolts right under there. Now, two 14 millimeter bolts, use like a 10-inch or 14-inch extension. I have this, which is probably like a 14-inch, I think. And yeah, 14 millimeter, take that off. 14 there, two 14s up thing, and then take it off, and then we'll go ahead, process of installing our new ones. And I'll show you guys how to adjust it to make sure you have it right so you don't end up having to remove and mess up your shit, all right? Pay attention. SPC arms, bro. Yeah, most companies want like $400, $300 for these things. And you can just get them for, maybe you can find them for like 80 a pop. I bought mine for $108 a pop, so like $230 after tax out the door. Yeah, fully adjustable. You get 3 degrees of camber, and you get +3 or -3, depending on how you want to go about it. But yeah,
That's sweet fitting, bro.
Sweet, bro. Yeah, that's already set. Hot more. Travis got the Big Daddy. Pause. But yeah, to adjust this, right? To adjust this the way you want it to be, you want to make sure this is all the way tight. So basically you want to thread this into its tight as hell, and then you adjust this one, the big one, which would be this right here, 1 1/4 of an inch wrench, and then you thread that out to where it matches your OEM, and then you take it to get aligned, and then you'll have the proper camber specs of what you want for your, what you want for your car to be. So make sure when you get your SPC arms or any other arms, you tighten this link all the way close to this. You want this to be as tight, and then you adjust from this. This is just a locking jam nut, and this is your actually adjusting nut. So you want to make this too tight, and then you adjust from here. You don't want to adjust this. You don't want to do this. This is not what you want. So you want to make sure that's all the way tightened, all the way like tight, and then you adjust from the wrench itself. I mean from the adjuster nut itself to match whatever you want your specs to be, or to match your OEM specs. And just that simple. No, I'm just going to show the people. So basically, Travis got this one loose. There, so you'll hold it, hold that side, and then this thing, and then the middle piece adjusts. So that's your adjuster. You see how it's threading out? When more Travis go counterclockwise, it threads out. That's how you adjust. You never adjust from the rod that's inside. Yeah, you never want to adjust the other side. So, simple. We'll walk more through it once we get to the part of install. So, breaking it loose. Hold that down there. God, that be tight.
Watch your foot. Watch your foot.
Now I got the 14mm here. Take off my OEM arms, and then we'll go ahead and match up the OEM arm to the new adjustable arms, and then we'll install them. So 14mm there, two 14mm attaching to the unibody of the chassis of the car, and then yeah. So make sure you have this to get to the underneath the portion of the car, like so, and then loosen it. Tools for today, it's gonna be a Milwaukee Playboy. It's that shit right here, you heard?
D-Wall, all the way.
D-Wall trash. You
Milwaukee's good too, but D-Wall's like 40 price.
You sick. Milwaukee's the way to go, you feel me?
Let's see if Trav Daddy got it. Come on, Trav Daddy. You got it, bro. I believe in you, bro. I believe in you, bro.
You got it, bro. Don't let the exhaust fool you, dog. You got it, bro.
Why does it sound like a fucking commercial?
It's an O'Reilly commercial, bro.
You got it, bro.
You got it, bro. There you go. There you go. There you go. Just, you got it, bro.
Break your damn exhaust system.
Nah, bro. Oh, Travis, you ain't got it, bro. You weak. Come on, Travis, you got it, bro. Oh, I feel it. I feel it. I feel you doing it, bro. Oh, what happened? Oh, Travis. Travis. You got it, bro.
Listen, all you need is a jack handle and a breaker bar.
That's it, bro. I know you don't want Swole P to come break it loose, bro.
The easiest side, and you gonna record me doing the side with all the bullshit in the way?
Nah, bro, you got it, bro. I believe in you, bro. Fast forwarding, we took off the muffler. It's easier, bro. I mean, yeah, if you have the more tools, it just makes it easier though. And it's only two 14mm bolts and a hanger. But now, Trav Daddy should be able to just rank that loose.
Don't record me do this.
You got it, bro.
Don't embarrass me like that.
Nah, bro, you got it, bro.
Where the hell is this?
Look what Travis did, y'all. Travis broke it loose. Milwaukee, talking about the wall. You see that Milwaukee right there? Oh yeah, we got it off. Now it's time to match up. So all we have to really do is make sure this stays straight, make sure that stays straight, and then loosen it. So I'm gonna try to demonstrate. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, wouldn't it be the same thing though, even if it turns? Because it's not adjusted. Once this is locked, I don't think it's gonna move.
Yeah, you gotta unlock it from here.
I'm saying that we don't have to hold it though, because once this is locked, it won't adjust this.
No, this has to stay still though. You can't. That can't move. Only you gotta hold this one, and then this threads out. But that's already locked, so that's why it's doing that.
That's what I'm saying. If you lock this, then you don't have to hold it. If this is loose, you have to hold it so that you don't adjust this.
Oh yeah, true.
You know what I'm saying? So this is all we're.
Yeah, you just gotta adjust that from now on.
Once you, if you just have to tell.
I mean, it's already locked. Yeah. So once you
lock this top one, and then you just turn this. You get what I'm saying?
Hey, do a pull! Do a pull! Full send! Yeah, Randy ain't gonna. That's a Randy car now. Yeah, pretty much. That's a Randy car now. Here you go, look at Travis. So inspirational. Travis so inspirational. You so inspirational, bro. Well, yeah. You so inspirational, bro. Go ahead, do that thing one time for the one time.
Grab me the damn. Can you grab me the measure tape, please?
Oh, my bad, big dog. So inspirational. Ooh, look at that. No more camber. That is straight, son. No more camber. All thanks to Travis. Oh, Travis, you so cool.
Show the vibe. Show the vibe.
Oh, Lord, bro. Look what I did to the homies. But luckily, Ryobi sent me some products. I'm going to give Travis one.
Fried my shit.
Bruh, I don't know how that happened. I mean, I know how it happened. I can't believe it happened. But luckily, Ryobi came in clutch and sent me some tools to review. Well, not review, but just actually take Instagram photos of.
I went a bus down on this. Nothing, perfectly fine, a school bus. That shit didn't take a Civic. That's terrible. That is terrible.
Ryobi, bro. Can't really say too much. I can't say too much, but. Leaving Travis's place, now we're on the way to Randy's. He's home early from work. Let's go see what Randlo is up to, my boys. Yeah, I see biker boy Travis. Randy, what the hell are you doing?
What?
What are you doing? Cutting what?
Swear ball link.
Oh, okay, trash.
Yeah, I kind of fucked it up too, but it was always coming out tight, and I don't have proper. There it goes. Oh my god.
Damn, bruh. Facts. Can't clean the headlights if I'm trying to find an FD front end, you feel me? That's the goal. But right now what I'm gonna do is continue along with the project of gutting the back end of Akira. So I got to kind of pretty much gut it a little bit. I had a can of clear coat in here and it spilled and it just messed up everything. So what I'm doing right now is just pretty much gutting it, the rear, getting rid of all the the interior pieces, all this stuff. And yeah, plastic's pretty simple. Just got this one thing in the back, which I don't have my tool to remove it. Get a flathead. That gut in my car.
Wow.
Cause I'm gonna gut it. I don't need this. Nah, I want to gut it. Gut the back. And yeah, save weight, bro. This ain't no fucking race. I mean, you trash. Mark your words, bitch.
Okay.
Mark your fucking words. When I become the Anthony Hamilton of this shit, you're gonna be like, damn, yeah, I remember Percy. They're gonna be like, that's not his name?
Lewis Hamilton?
You will never be Lewis Hamilton.
Nigga's a go by himself. The fuck around, ever come
Hey,
to Lewis Hamilton,
my
bro.
bad. I was talking about Anthony Hamilton, the rapper, or the singer. My bad.
Anthony Hamilton. That nigga Lewis Hamilton.
I'm gonna be the next Lewis Hamilton, bruh. Watch, bruh. When y'all have hating ass niggas like Randy, y'all gotta prove them wrong, bruh.
Nobody right now in his era is better than him.
Besides me. Just wait, bruh. Y'all see the Civic now. Y'all just wait till it's all done up nice. You feel me? I don't watch F1 though, but I know what you're talking about. Everybody post memes of that.
That nigga got mad. That nigga was on top of Lewis Hamilton 2 weeks ago.
Pause.
That nigga back wheel smacked this nigga helmet, bro. He got out the car while his car's still on top of Lewis Hamilton. And he walked to the pit lane, bro. That nigga was tight, bro. That nigga walked to pit lane, bro.
That messed up.
And he let Lewis Hamilton, bro. He was mad as fuck. This is gonna be fucking aggressive, bro. Reverse. That nigga car stuck.
Look at this craziness, man. Have that tire, all that stuff, and the other panels that I threw away. But this is the inside of Akira. So, I'm gonna go ahead, use the little hyper tough vacuum all this stuff out, clean it up, and see how clean she gets. And then she'll be gutted from the back. And then I have to gut the seats, but I'm not gonna do that yet until I get the roll bar in and stuff of that nature. But for now, we'll just get out the back, get her ready. Don't need this anymore, really. Huh? She's gutted. Gutted. Got her nice and cleaned up. Just gotta clean it all up now with some probably some powder degreaser. Use some type of not use some type, but probably use my pressure washer to pressure wash all this rust and stuff out of here. Get that all taken care of. Vacuum clean it up with some, I don't know what I have in there. Waterless wash, so I probably could use that too. But yeah, just to clean her up from the inside. And the reason why I'm gutting the car is because in the Club TR class, you can, I think, I have the info on the screen if I'm not mistaken, but I gotta get it to be as light as the class allows. So that's what I'm trying to do. I wish I could have got this FD trunk and carbon fiber so I can save weight savings there. We basically want to get the car, gut the car as light as we possibly can for the class rules, and then full send from there. So that's what I'm doing. That's why hence the title, Building a Time Attack Civic. Plus it's a good way to get new viewers and stuff like that, because that's exactly what I'm doing. Maybe not in this video, but I released videos previously about the exhaust system, the hybrid racing parts on the car, all geared towards building a Time Attack Civic in my eyes, you know what I mean? Next up, I already got suspension on it, but I'm gonna do sway bars. And I know you don't want to do sway bars yet until you take the car on the track, but you know, I like to buy it just in case, and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna be a sway bar-esque driver. I mean, to most Time Attack dudes, or to certain people, this may sound very stupid, and I understand, I get it. But, you know, I'd rather just buy it. It's content anyway, you know what I mean? And I can learn how to drive the car with sway bars. But, you know, then again, all I need now for this car is brakes. And then I can have a nice shakedown with the setup so far. I already got wheels and tires. Well, tires should be here Thursday. I already have wheels. All I need now is brakes. All right, so I can actually stop.